Welcome back to the
This is the Sweet Farm, guys, and today we're checking out the Big Man's restaurant. I've always wanted to come here. Maybe I can get some speed like him.
yes guys. So we're gonna see
Usain Bolt.
if we eat some of them food if we can go fast like him and them thing there.
Yeah, so let's come with us, guys.
Yes,
We check
guys,
it out.
let's
No
take
further ado. After you leave.
Thank you.
Out to the Sweet Farm.
Subscribe to the Sweet Food family, you know what I mean? I original, you understand?
To the face and hear the voice, you don't know Lisa Ipa. I represent for Sweet Farm. So subscribe to them YouTube channel right now. Right now.
Hello, good night.
Alright, so for main course is currently closed off.
Okay.
We have appetizers available, like
Okay.
sandwiches, burgers, spring rolls, wings.
Perfect. We have a burger.
Yep. We have some burgers and wings, yeah?
Alright, so table for three.
Yeah.
Alright, take it for.
Alright. With us.
Come in, sweet squad. What a way me go camouflage that them red chair.
European babes.
Yes, sweet squad.
Yes, Sweet Squad.
So we're gonna be trying out some of this goodies now.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okie dokie. Oh my god, I'm so indecisive, you know. I'm bad at deciding that stuff. What's that one? Love Utopia. That's the one you told me about. Yeah. I'm gonna work with your thingy. So I'm gonna have that one, yeah. Okay?
Yeah. Debo, you sure you want red stripe?
Okay, guys, so this is the one that I chose. Yeah, Fruitopia.
I'm gonna have some
Yeah.
sweet potato chips, club sandwich, and I see any drinks. Yeah, that's about it. What are you having, babes?
You know what, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have something totally different tonight. Normally, I don't do fish, but I'm gonna I'm gonna be having the escovitch fish sandwich.
You're not gonna enjoy that.
Escovitch is like the flour on the fish, so it's gonna have that crunch. So sweet
But
squad,
now I want to try some of your food this time.
say one best so we can try some of my
But I
food.
don't think of first. But if I the fish you want, that's fine still.
It's just that okay. The other one would be the crispy chicken sandwich. That would be my number second choice.
Number second.
Yes.
Number second.
Number two. The one see me there at posh restaurant, I have to speak proper
Yeah.
English.
Number second.
Number second, yeah. Serve with French fries, coconut ranch dipping. Yeah. And coleslaw. Okay, I'm gonna have crispy chicken, guys. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have that one.
Alright guys, so stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. We're all
Yes, guys, we're gonna check in back when we when we get our food basically, yeah? And then we're gonna review that food, yeah. So we'll see you, and you better make sure your food tastes good because I'm gonna give a honest review. See you guys in a bit.
see you in a bit, guys. This is the sweet food. Yeah, so this is like a reggae color drink. I'm gonna have the seductive white chocolate cheesecake.
What's that? Jamaican ice cream sundae. Chocolate coffee, healthy.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have this one, guys. The seductive white chocolate
What one did
cheesecake.
she say that they don't have?
Buccaneers Delight is not available.
Okay, I'm gonna have the Jamaica ice cream sundae.
Good choice.
Nice and
Good choice.
nice and simple.
This is a toast to my beautiful partner here. who I love so much. You know, we come to Jamaica for a very sad reason, but we're still trying to do everything to cheer her up because we like to see that smile on her face. And no matter how the room empty, her laughter will fill the room and make everyone happy. Her laughter is addictive. So I'm just saying cheers to my best friend. my
Thank you
business
so
partner,
much. I
everything.
appreciate you. I love you very much.
I love you too, baby.
Thanks for supporting me in everything, especially this challenging time in my life.
Yes,
I
yes.
appreciate you a lot.
I
So,
appreciate you too, baby. And I know
cheers.
you'll do the same for me. Thank you.
you want to taste
Sweet
my
man.
drink?
We can do the one where we wrap up on. That's what
Do I wrap up on?
Oh, yo, me, I woke up and close to Ross, God. Catch money. Alright, man, natural. We could try again.
No, I'm
Take
drunk calf already.
Take two. This is the sweet farm.
This is the sweet one.
Ready?
Alright, I'm gonna wrap up now, baby. I'm gonna wrap up now.
Alright, I just want to taste your
You
one.
just taste me. Maybe hold your hand. Maybe hold your hand. Come here with me again.
I see anything.
Taste it
My
again.
one sweeter.
Yeah. My one tastes stronger, you know. How can the woman get the stronger drink?
You want some? That is prettier thing.
No man, it's alright. I actually like the strong. The strong. Me need a little extra alcohol.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, babe. Alright. I'm sorry for waiting you, babe.
It's alright.
Charlie, look.
Tevan, look. Oh gosh. Go on tonight with you. Hey. Boop, boop, boop.
So you we are coming to the Giants. Drinks here feel nice to me. Not here, baby.
Rock.
So guys, check. Our food is here. Thank you. Be what that you order? That's all you want? Look what me eat.
Your food look nice though.
They're one of the best.
No, I'm just sweet. Make we swap.
They know we're gonna share it up.
Okay. Let's,
So guys, the food is here. Let's start eating some food, you know?
yes, guys. So we're
Let's
gonna
see.
tuck in and we're gonna let you know exactly how it tastes. Yeah.
So this is the club sandwich. Jerk chicken sandwich, I believe, with eggs, cheese, bacon, sweet potato chips. So this is the
Yeah.
crispy chicken.
Okay.
club
Let me
sandwich.
just lift it up so you can see what's in it. Like.
Okay. Wow. That looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna try this crispy sandwich.
Is that a cocoa bread? It's a cocoa bread, isn't it? Come on, you're saying bold.
Come on, Ocean. Why you give me cocoa bread for my dinner?
That's why the wings look good too.
Barbecue red stripe.
Barbecue with stripe ribs.
Because I drink red stripe, I want red stripe wings.
Go the red stripe as well. This is my one now. Oh, I'm gonna try the sweet potato with some of this sauce here. Let's see.
What is that? Did you order?
So sweet potato chips
Well,
Yeah, sweet potato leaf.
guys, we're gonna give honest review. Well, let me review my food. Well, this sandwich is very tasty. I like the crunch in the chicken. So yeah, I would give this a 8 out of 10. And for the fries, it's a little bit overcooked. But I'm gonna get one that's not overcooked and then I'm gonna try it. But like most of the ones I got is overcooked, guys. See? Quite dark. But yeah, let me just try one of these. Okay, it's good. I would give that a 8.5. Yeah. Yeah, I get coleslaw. This. How would you rate the chips? Yes, we're fine. Thank you very much.
Can I get some wings as well? I told you. Can I get some wings as well? Okay.
Same one?
And I want dessert.
What dessert? Which one do you want?
I want the chocolate cheesecake.
So we have the Guinness cookie and cream cheesecake and the white chocolate.
White chocolate please. And you're welcome.
What was it again? The some other Sunday, the ice cream. Yeah, that one.
Which dessert you want?
Which one do you want? Try the bread pudding with ice cream. Yeah, dessert?
Yeah, guys. So, yeah.
It's nice what I'm telling you.
So you give that.
Honestly,
Mm-hmm.
I don't like my egg fry like this. I like my egg scramble or omelette style. So I give this a 5.
Yeah.
5.
What about the potato chips?
It's different.
It's different. You like it?
So for that, like I wouldn't something that I would eat every day. But it's good for like something once a year or something.
Once
like
a year. So
Just for something different. So that we give
Yeah.
them 8 for originality.
8
Because
for
I've never had it like this before. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
But the sauce is nice. So someone has requested a taste of my sandwich. I know in return I'm going to get a taste of her sandwich.
It's just jumping ready to get in my mouth, guys. Okay, let me try this. It's good. I would give this a 9 because everything is done the way I like
And
it.
that's the way you like the egg as well, so
Mhm.
they're perfect for you.
I would give this a 9 out of 10. Why not 10 out of 10? Because the bread is just a little bit over toast, but everything else is perfect. So this will get a 9 out of 10, guys. Yeah.
Alright, let me try yours now. Use that one. My father-in-law, this one is dedicated to you. This is just poker bread. The same deli sandwich that you get in tasty,
Yeah.
the same thing. I don't need. Same thing in that tasty for $600.
So there's nothing special
Oh,
about it.
it's special. No. I'm gonna try one of these wings.
Second serving of wings. Let's try that, baby.
Okay. So this is the red stripe barbecue wing.
Can you taste the red stripe?
Try one? You want to try one, baby?
How much would you rate it?
I give it a 7.
7. So basically you can't taste the red stripe.
No.
Presentation is good.
Yeah, presentation on point.
Okay, so I'm gonna try this one now.
This is the red stripe?
Just tastes like crispy wing with some sauce over it. I don't taste no red stripe whatsoever. So I would give this I would give it a 6 because it's not really, the taste does not speak for the name. Yeah.
Nice though.
Yeah, red stripe here.
Yeah, man, here, right there, right there.
Yes, madam.
Yes, Deeps. Yes, the man slap one already. Yes, we catch it this time. Thank you so much. I need a spoon for that.
Yeah. Yeah, that is looking very nice.
So that's the what that name? The Jamaican Sunday.
Yes.
Wow.
It's nice.
Yeah, look good.
Yeah, look good.
Look better than mine, to be honest. White chocolate, strawberry. Thank you.
Very much.
These are nice, guys.
I swear the sweet farm, I give this a 10 out of 10. Very nice. It's good.
10 out of 10 straight.
10 out of 10. You know something I taste of rum in the bottom? I know me Joe.
If that was our review of you see it Bolts, Traps and Records restaurant in Kingston, Jamaica. Dessert. This dessert, the Jamaican Sunday.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 straight. Cheesecake alright, but that is 10 out of 10. So I'd recommend you have that for your dessert. We came to the restaurant late, so we couldn't have any of the main meal, so we had to have sandwich and wings and stuff like that. But those were alright, but this is something to talk about.
Yeah, so this in the night.
Yeah, take the deal on it. So guys,